Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from Midwest Safety. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. What starts as a routine traffic stop near the Florida-Alabama state line quickly turns into a full-speed pursuit after a driver with illegal window tint suddenly takes off at over 100 miles per hour. Watch how fast this encounter shifts from a simple enforcement stop into a dangerous chase that puts everyone on the road at risk. The breakdown starts now.
Eastbound Avenue 2, the white Infiniti. It's got a vanity plate of MSU.
Eastbound Avenue 2, it's a white Infiniti. It's got a vanity plate of MSU.
Pay attention to how committed the driver is to staying in this pursuit. Once someone keeps pushing these speeds on an open highway, troopers know this can escalate without warning. I can already tell this driver has no intention of stopping, and once a pursuit stays at these speeds for this long, every vehicle around them becomes part of the risk.
Keeping them inside.
Bro, it's right here. It's right here. It's past us.
This pursuit is still fully active here, and you can tell troopers are staying locked in because one sudden move at these speeds changes the entire situation. Watch how quickly this situation is about to change. The second the suspect loses the vehicle and tries to run, officers will have to close the distance fast before he disappears. Pay attention to how chaotic this foot pursuit is about to get once the canine is released. In fast-moving situations like this, officers have to react instantly while trying to avoid crossing into each other's path.
Bravo Mike, looks like a gray shirt.
Watch how dangerous this becomes once the suspect heads back toward the highway. At these speeds, it only takes one wrong step for a situation like this to turn critical instantly. Looks like the canine is getting another chance here. Although after the way this pursuit's been going, the dog might need a quick refresher course because officers are already stepping in to finish this themselves.
Green shirt, looking.
After the pursuit finally came to an end, 23-year-old Isaiah Colley was taken to a local hospital for evaluation before being booked into Escambia County Jail. Investigators say a search of the vehicle uncovered marijuana, multiple firearms including a Glock handgun and an AK-style rifle, along with large amounts of ammunition scattered throughout the car. Authorities charged Colley with several offenses tied to the pursuit, including felony fleeing, resisting arrest, leaving the scene of a crash, and drug-related charges. Court records show one of the reckless driving charges was later dismissed, while his total bond was initially set at $65,000. But the story didn't end with this chase. While out on bond, Colley was arrested again months later in connection to a deadly shooting tied to an alleged marijuana deal gone wrong. Investigators claim the encounter escalated after an attempted theft during the transaction, ending in gunfire that left one person dead. According to the arrest report, Colley allegedly bragged about becoming internet famous after the pursuit and canine incident seen in this footage. He and his 18-year-old brother, who investigators accuse of firing the shots, were both taken into custody and remain jailed awaiting trial without bond. Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. If you want more real-world breakdowns like this, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what's next.